Hi, I'm Dr. Gail. I'm a star seed healer, and today I have another story to tell you, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Now, I know everybody probably saw the video of when I went to the beach for 3 days and had to do a liquid diet, and nothing was happening. The only thing I saw was a spaceship out on the first night I was there, and that was it. They weren't there the second night. But 2 days later, I finally came to a realization during a meditation of what was going on, or I got my information on what was going on. And of course, it's that I am a interplanetary liaison, and I have the ability to go out and look at these planets, stars, and talk to the people directly. Now, I've been researching a lot of the different species, and I've been learning a lot from a lot of different people. But actually, I have the ability to go have firsthand information from them. And this was a big surprise, and I hadn't even thought about it. I mean, I have a special guide for the Akashic records, and I can go look in there, and also I can actually physically, well, not physically, but through the third eye, go out and look at these planets and stars and meet the people. So that was a big awakening or information that I got. And of course, I thought, well, maybe this will happen in a couple of weeks. But no, that very night, I went to a planet. And how that happened was Saturday, you know, I do the astrologies with Anne-Marie. And for the first time, we have somebody this coming Saturday that has an unknown origin and an unknown last reincarnation, which was something we had never had before. So I probably had her on my mind, wondering what we were going to do with this. Now, she's been to different planets in the meantime, but it's just strange that she didn't have a, original planet and the last reincarnation. So when I went to bed that night, I dreamed this, and I woke up in the middle of this dream, visiting this star system and talking to the people. And it was actually a small star. It was a blue star, and it's called Zeta, and they are called Zetarians. And when I went to meet them, I was not allowed to go actually to their community. They do community living. I had to meet them out far away from it, in the mountains, in the woods. Now, this planet appears to us as a sun or a star, and we don't realize that people are living there. And it's because it is mainly desert and it is uninhabitable, but there is a part that has kind of a mountainous area, and they can live there. And it's probably the part that we can't see from Earth. And so these people were living there, and they were dressed in heavy clothing because it was cold up in the mountains. I mean, as hot as it was in the desert, it was chilly up there. Now, they had fled to there after Lyra was taken over by the reptilians. So they are actually Lyrans, and so they had the personality of Lyrans, but adapting to their climate and everything, they were only now about 2 feet tall, very humanoid, and wearing a whole lot of clothes. And all I kept getting this image in my head is that they looked like gnomes. And I think it's just because they had so many clothes on and they were shorts. But they did say they kept their same personality as Lyrans. Now, the reason why they are unknown is because we don't know about them living there. But this person, she started there. She is from there. And they only allow people who are from there to reincarnate there. So her last reincarnation was on this planet, Zeta, and they are only the ones that are allowed there. Now, that because of their planet being destroyed by reptilians, that's why they're so tight. They don't allow people in their community. The only people that are allowed there are the ones that originated from there, and they can reincarnate there, but no outsiders are allowed in there. And it is a community living, and it is a small area. So anyway, that's my story today, and that is my first travel to an unknown star that we don't know anything about. So anyway, this is for entertainment purposes only. My name is Dr. Gail, and my information will be down in the description box if anybody wants to get in touch with me or wants to have a reading or is suffering from any kind of alien abductions. Anyway, I will see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.